Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online earning platform you are seeing on your screen known as BAATON. Okay, about 3 days ago, I posted video concerning this platform, and then I said that you are going to make at least $40, or let me just say, yes, I said you are going to make at least $3 to $40, which is equivalent to 64,000 naira. And thank God, this morning, in fact, yesterday evening, around 10 o'clock, we have been paid from this platform, and that is the reason why I am making this video to explain more to you guys. For those of you who were not able to cash out, because you are going to cash out after watching this video. If this is the first time you are hearing my voice, or first time you are hearing about this platform, after watching this video now, you are going to make money for free with your smartphone. All you need is just your Telegram application, only Telegram, and then what you need again is Tonkeeper app. Okay, so watch this video, let me explain everything to you, how you are going to make money from this platform. Okay, but before I proceed guys, my name is Sparky, aka a legit boss. What I do on this channel is all about business. If this is the first time you hear my voice, or first time you are coming across my channel, what I do here is business. I share business updates every day. So for you not to miss out any of my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button showing your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on daily basis with your smartphone. Okay, it is very simple. Then at the end of this video, for those of you who will pick interest in joining this platform today, I'm going to be leaving a WhatsApp group link in the comment section. It is only in our WhatsApp group where it is that you can get the registration link of this platform. Okay, if you are not in a WhatsApp group, it means you cannot have access to link of this platform. So after watching this video and you're interested in joining us in making this money for free, then go to comment section, use the link to join our WhatsApp group. Before you even join finish, the link will be sent to you. You use it to join and then start making money. So watch this video explanation so that when you get access to the link, you know what to do. Okay, now this platform known as BAATON is a Web3 project. It is an airdrop, but now there is ongoing event on the platform. Now there are two ways which you can make money on this platform. The first way you can make money is by instant, which is their ongoing event now. Then the second way is through their airdrop, which is coming soon. And that their airdrop simply means that if they list on exchanges, the token you're accumulating, you can see on your balance here, you are going to be paid. Now, how do you accumulate this token? You accumulate this token by tapping on this black sheep you are seeing here. When you tap on this black sheep you are seeing here, you are accumulating this token. You are accumulating this token. So you tap. That is how you accumulate it. Then for you to participate in their instant cash out every day, yeah, they are giving every 7 days, they are giving $1,500 to top 25 people on the ladder board. Then they also have the one they are giving for top earners. Let's say if you have the highest balance, you can see this one. I'm having about 5 million balance here on my dashboard. So if you are having about, if you have the highest balance, that's the highest BAT token, you are going to be given $5,000 and above in the next 41 days. The next 41 days are going to distribute this money, and I'm so happy guys. Before I even proceed further, please take a look at your screen. That is the money I was paid yesterday evening from BAATON. And then take a look at others, those that cash out, because those in my WhatsApp group, they were able to cash out. Okay, take a look. Are you seeing your payment? That's payment proof. This platform is paying for free. All you need to do is to tap. That's all. Okay, now for you to participate in this weekly giveaway, you can earn 64,000 in 7 days. If you are able to earn $40, that $40, if you convert it to naira, is equivalent to 64,000 naira within 7 days, because the price poll is every 7 days, 1-5. They are sharing it. Top 1 get $40, top 2 get $30, top 3 get 20 something dollar, no, $30, the other one get $35. So look at your screen, you can see it on your screen. So you're seeing it on your screen. So how do you rank on this weekly own? This weekly own now is where you're supposed to refer people. You have to invite friends and family. The total number of friends you invite is what they are going to count for you. Do you understand? If you're inviting friends and family, they'll be ranking you on that top leaders on top weekly leaders. The weekly leaders, they're going to be ranking you there. So once you are ranking there for the next 7 days, after the 7 days complete, they are going to send that money to you, to your account. They're going to send that money to your account. So which account are they sending it? They're going to send it to your Tonkeeper address, to your Tonkeeper account. So if you don't have Tonkeeper, go to Play Store and then download Tonkeeper. Download Tonkeeper from Play Store. So when you download Tonkeeper from Play Store, then you can copy your address, click on receive, click on this place here, airdrop, you will see the option where you can paste the address, and then when you paste the address, you click on register. So that's how to add it. The payment is automatic. The moment the 7 days period complete, boom, the money will be sent automatically to your account. That is how we received it yesterday evening around 10. I am so glad that some people made money from this update. You can make money, you drag. It is a this 20 this 7 days on is 25 is 25 people, only for 25 people. So you drag, you have to invite friends and family, struggle. Now please listen, if you cannot participate in this weekly draw, then all you need to do is to continue accumulating and to participate in the top 500 draw. This top 500 only is the person that has the highest earning. Top 500 people. So if you are listed among the top 500 people, you will have a chance to receive 10 USDT to $5,000. The price is $30,000 prize pool to 500 highest earners. So how do you earn this one? Now every 24 hours, this if you are tapping on this black sheep, if you're tapping on this black sheep every 24 hours, when you finish tapping the energy, once the energy tank finish exhausting, get exhausted, you have to wait every 24 hours, then you have to tap again, then invite your family and friends to build your team. Okay, however, if you did not rank in the top 500, that does not mean you're not going to cash out. You're going to cash out. Now how are you going to cash out? How you are going to cash out is when they are going to give their airdrop. Now then this your bar token now is what you are going to claim to CS. That's the centralized exchange, Bybit, Binance, any of the exchange they may be listing on. Then you are going to withdraw it there. So imagine if these people are giving $30,000, that's millions of naira to just people who are just participating on the platform. So imagine the price are going to list. They might even end up listing at $1 per one. So if you are having, so that's why I said start taking it serious. If you know you cannot refer to participate in their weekly draw, you know you cannot, then what you should do is to continue tapping every 24 hours. You tap every 24 hours. Once the energy tank get exhausted, you stop tapping, then you come back the next day and then tap, then you click on boost. When you click on boost, you will see the status of your energy tank reloading. So please take note of that. All these things is very important. So you cannot lose in both sides. If you know you cannot refer to earn, then you will now tap to earn. So that's it. So when they list, you are going to get paid massively, just like the way Pepeverse did it, Rocket Rabbit did it, and we all participated and we made money from it. So this is another version of Pepeverse and Rocket Rabbit. So if you don't want to miss this update, you say you want to make money, the opportunity is now, guys. This update is paying. I'm a living testimony. If I have not made money from this platform, and if I have not participated from something similar to this, there is no way I will share this thing with my community, guys. So this is 100% legit and paying, as I've shown you guys payment proof. Okay, so all you need to do now for you to start joining us, our WhatsApp group link is there in the comment section. You can use it to join our WhatsApp group. You are going to receive the link there. But please, if you are already in my WhatsApp group before, there will be no need of you joining, because I've already given the link in my other WhatsApp group. So whatever I post in group 1 is what I post in group 2. The same thing I post in group 3, the same thing I post in group 4. So no different. My group is my group. I post the same thing in all. So if you are in my group before, please don't join this one, because if you are joining this one, it simply means you're occupying space for others. And if I discover that you are in more than one of my group, if you are in 2 of my group, I always remove them. And if I'm removing you permanently from all the groups. So please adhere to this instruction so that other people can have space to join the group. And may God bless you as you adhere to this instruction. Thank you. So if you're interested now, you can join us and start making money for free with your smartphone. Okay.